Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file 1120's tax return full guide. Gather corporate documents, income statements, and Schedule K-1 details first so we avoid errors. Confirm employer identification numbers, shareholder percentages, and accounting method before you begin. Organize expenses by category and separate personal costs to prevent disallowed deductions. Keep a checklist handy to track each line item on Form 1120 as we move through preparation together. Start by entering gross receipts, returns, and cost of goods sold, which sets your taxable income baseline. Next, add ordinary business deductions, payroll, and owner wages, being careful to distinguish distributions. Fill Schedule K to allocate income and credits to shareholders, and complete Schedule L for balance sheet accuracy. Double-check totals, carrybacks, and carryforwards, and verify that shareholder basis supports distributions before proceeding to filing and signatures. Thanks for watching so far, and if this content is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes keeping your office tidy during tax season effortless and oddly satisfying. It pairs well with focused work sessions and fewer distractions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Include required schedules such as Schedule K-1, Schedule M-1, and any statements for special items. Watch for frequent mistakes like transposed numbers, omitted EINs, incorrect shareholder basis, or mixing personal and business expenses. Reconcile Schedule M-1 with your books and verify payroll tax deposits and estimated tax payments. If your S corporation has unusual items, prepare clear supporting statements to help avoid IRS questions or delays in processing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.